Hi, welcome to A2ZKnowledge.com. So today the topic what we're gonna see is AWS Athena Practical. So I already uploaded a video for what is Athena and how things are working in Athena as a theory video I have already uploaded, and I have shared that link in the description box of this video, and I have also shared the complete video playlist of AWS. Okay, so as a prerequisite you need to have a Amazon Web Service console login. So if there is no login for you, you can create one login, and you have free tier for 1 year. And that video also I have given in the AWS playlist. You can just watch that video to how to create an account in AWS. So to do this practical, you need two things. You need to upload a file in S3 from which we are going to create a table in Athena, and on top of it we are going to do queries. So in S3 I have already created a bucket called A2Z test 12, and inside that bucket I have created a folder called test A to Z test underscore A to Z12, and in that I have uploaded a file called datagen underscore 10.txt, which is a comma separated file with 10 it has only 10 records. It drag data. That's it. So for this data we're going to create a table, and then I'm going to do a queries on top of it. Okay, so now if you go for Athena page, so you will be getting this like this, and you won't see any databases as of now. You have to create one database. So, and one more thing I just wanted to tell you. So if people who are watching this video, if you are aware of Hive in Hadoop, so similar to Hive in AWS we have Athena. That's it. Okay, so people who are not aware of Hive, it's fine. You don't want to get confused on the statement. So I just wanted to tell to people who know Hive. So for them it will be easy to understand. For others it's fine. You can just start as fresh as possible the Athena is. Okay, fine. So we can start the practical now. I'm going to create a database. I'm going to create it as test. So you can give this, you can do a control A and then, sorry, control A, and then you can do run query, or what you can do is you can do control enter. It's a shortcut in for executing it. So now you can see here in the drop down list you will see test is the database which we created, and default is one that already exists. So you choose test, and you can create tables by clicking this option, and you can see from S3 as you have to give this. And here there is a UI for you to create a table, but you can also do it with the create table statement also. So if you want to do here, just choose this to your database and give the table name and the location in which your data is there, your S3 location. So your S3 location will be something like this. You can see here, I can show you that. Okay, you can see here. So this is what your location is. So this is my bucket name, and this is the folder name in which I have the data. So you have to give your location like this. And in the next step 2, it will ask for the format, in which format your data file is, whether it is CSV or TSV or Avro or whatever the format you can choose. And then next you can create columns. How many columns? There will be a button add column. You can click it and you can create a column with the data type from the drop down list. And finally the step 4 is where you can choose partitions. If not required, you can just give next, so the table will be get created. But I'm going to show you via query editor. We have the create table syntax, and we can do it in that way. Okay, so here comes next query is to create a table. So I'm creating a table called drug1 under the database test with 5 columns, and then the surd property is nothing but you have to specify the delimiter of your data file, which is comma, and then the location. So now go back to your query editor, just paste this. Now you have to select this particular area, and then again control enter. I'm just executing this query. Now the table got created here. Now again you can do a select for, you can do a select. Okay, so control enter. So when you run this, you can able to see your table. So here the 10 records has been whatever that data we have in S3, you can able to see here. Now again, like I'm going to run a query with some aggregations. Okay, so so control enter. Okay, so this aggregation is nothing but I want to choose drug, and sum of amount from drug one is a table group by drug. This will give group all your drug, and it will show you the amount with the summation. So it's all done for the day today. And in upcoming videos I'm going to explain you all the concepts. For example, you can see here external table. So what is the difference between internal and external table? So those things I will be explaining in the upcoming videos. So thanks for watching A2Z knowledge.com. If you really like this video, subscribe my channel and forward this to your friends and colleagues. And we provide provide videos in two languages, English and Tamil. And not only AWS, I have a lot of tech videos. You can go to my channel and have a look. And I have given my LinkedIn URL and then Instagram URL in the description box. If you want to contact me, you can contact me. So thanks for watching A2Z Knowledge.com.